Hello and welcome to Piko Tutorials. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a showreel within Piko. What you'll do is you'll go up to this menu icon, you'll go down to New, go down to Showreel, and what you'll do in here is drag and drop the associated videos or layouts that you'd like to show on this specific showreel. So from here, what you can see is I'm going to select a couple different cameras, and from there you can select the amount of display. So this is in seconds. So if I want this video to be on for 4 seconds, you simply just go down to 4. Say I wanted this one to be for 7, this one to be for 3, and this one to be for 8 or 9. Click Start Showreel, and what you'll see is that the cameras or layouts will gradually go through their associated showreel. Thank you for watching Piko Tutorials. If you would like to watch more how-to videos around Piko, please click here for our tutorial channel, or you can visit us here at pikovms.com for more documentation and downloads.